What's going on, guys? It's Arden here for another not Fortnite video, but another video. And today we will be talking about the story about my little catty Charlie. So she was alone. She had babies, and someone took her to the main society. And my oldest cousin Dylan, he's 21 years old. He bought her for $50, and then took her to my grandma and grandpa's house. I know this is a short video. Hey Charlie, why are you running off? Charlie, why are you running off? I'm talking about you. Come on, Charlie. Sorry about that. So she's a little she's being a little silly today. Oh, there's her treats. So this will be a short video because I'm just talking about her, and that's her whole story. But let's just see her eat and eat and eat for the rest of this video. It might be boring for you, but make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. Like all my videos. No YouTuber says that, but except me. Hi, Charlie. So, there she is. I can't pet her. There we go. Eee. So, yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? What? Okay, sorry about that, but we'll cut that out. So, that was little Charlie's story. Say bye, Charlie. Say bye. 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 See you next time. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Wait. Bye, guys.